Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. After so long, I'm filming a proper YouTube video. I've been uploading YouTube shorts as well as on my Instagram. There have been a lot of reels that have been going live every day. So I hope you're following me on Instagram. And if you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And in today's video, I'm going to share all the things which I got from Nykaa recently. So obviously, I had to do my comeback with a haul video because I am a shopaholic, to be honest. So I have a lot of makeup products in today's haul video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And without making this into any longer, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to start from Sugar Cosmetics because I picked up a lot of products from the brand. There was an amazing offer going on, so बहुत कुछ free भी मिला and मैंने खुद भी बहुत कुछ खरीदा. So starting off from this eyeshadow palette 03 Fantasy, the packaging is just amazing. It's very cool and interesting. So this is how it looks like. It comes along with mirror as well, and all the shades are like very warm and neutral, perfect for dusky skin tone. And also it comes along with this tiny brush which is useless, but in case you forget to carry your brushes, it can come in handy, so not that useless. And I'm really impressed with the pigmentation of all of these colors. I'll just show you. The best part is that they have actually written the names of every shade. So I'm swatching muted burgundy, cranberry and copper rose. So just to show you, in just one swipe you can see the pigmentation. It is just amazing. We have mattes and also some glitter shades, but the pigmentation of all the colors is just amazing. So it's a really nice palette in terms of this price range. I will insert the price in the description box as well as on the screen. Also, I will link all of the products in the description box. In case you want to check them out, you can. I've got 3 colored eyeliners. I'm actually wearing 2 of them on my eyes, and also eyeshadow is from the same eyeshadow palette. So the tutorial of this look will be up on the YouTube shorts as well as Instagram. You can check it out. First is this bronze horseman. It's 01. Swatch it for you guys. I love colored eyeliners, so I got 3 more for myself. This is how it looks like. I think it's very nice, and the wand especially is very easy to use. So if you're a beginner, I think this eyeliner is just perfect because the wand and the pigmentation of these eyeliners is just amazing. Next, I've got 02 Purple Pirate. I love purple color on my eyes, but this one is not like proper purple, but it's more towards warm side. So this is how it looks like. It's on my eyes as well, so I think it's very nice and very decent. And lastly, I've got 02 Orange Honey. I'm wearing it on the ends and it looks bomb. I love this color. It's very bright, so I love it. This is how it looks like. All of them have the same wand, same pigmentation, only differ in like colors. The bronze one and the purple one has a little bit of glitter in them, but this one is like pure orange, bright neon orange sort of a shade. Next, I've got a cream blush. This is in the shade, I will mention the shade on the screen. This is how it looks like. Again, the pigmentation is just really nice. So if you have dry skin like I have, I think you should try out cream based products, and this affordable option is like really nice. I don't think इस price range में आपको cream blush किसी और brand में मिलेगा. It's really nice and perfect for dry skin if you want that dewy sort of a look. It's just amazing. Also, it's multi-purpose. You can use it like an eyeshadow as well. So easy to blend and also works well for dry skin. And I got the shade, it's 02 Pink Prime. Next, I got this product for free. It's a simple kajal, and I'll just show you. This is black in color, 05 Black Magic. So as I told you, there was an offer, so कुछ certain amount of shop करने पे I got a few products for free. This one being the first one. Okay, so this is a black kohl but with little bit of shimmer in it. So it's not like pure black kajal, but it has got little bit of silver sort of a shimmer, and I think it's very pigmented, easy to use, but definitely it's like a kajal, not an eyeliner, so it will smudge and not at all waterproof, so you need to take care of that. But I think it's nice. अगर free में मिल रहा है तो क्या ही बुरा है. So got this lipstick for free. It's their matte as hell crayon lipstick. It's in the shade 13 Murphy Brown. It says Murphy Brown, but it is a maroon sort of a color, as you can see. So not brown, but a nice maroon sort of a shade. and also it's like matte. The best part about this lipstick is that it's very pigmented, matte, but at the same time it's moisturizing, unlike those typical matte lipsticks. So easy to use on dry lips, but definitely I would recommend you to use a lip balm before using these matte crayons. Lastly, I got this sharpener for free. I wasn't expecting this, but it just came like a surprise in the parcel. So I needed a sharpener for all my colored kajals and pencils, and by chance ये मुझे मिल गया. It is a dual sharpener, so दोनों type के pencil इसमें sharp हो जाएंगे, big as well as small. It's a Blue Moon 06 Blue Moon Intense Kajal. Shade is Blue Moon, and this is how it looks like. I've not opened it, but I'm guessing it's just like a normal blue kajal. And ये free मिला था, so काफ़ी कुछ free मिल गया इतना सारा shop करने पे. So the deal was amazing, and also not just the free products, but the products पे भी 50% 40% off था. So I got so many of these things at an amazing price. Next, I've got a few products from MyGlamm. They have launched a new range known as Youthful. So I got a moisturizer and a cleanser. This is how the moisturizer looks like. Now, they never fail to impress me with their packaging. Their packaging is always bomb, beat any product. And especially this one, I really like it. It's a glass tub with a blue sort of a color. Also very good, especially for all skin types, like especially kya sub skin types ke liye it's just amazing, because it is very lightweight, and even for like dry skin it's lightweight, but at the same time very hydrating and moisturizing. So agar aapki oily skin hai, then also you can use this because it is lightweight. And even if you have dry skin, again it's very easy to use because it is very moisturizing. From the same range, we have Hydrating Foam Cleanser with Water Bank Technology. This is how it looks like. Again, the packaging is of the same material, glass. It looks stunning. I haven't used it yet, but I'll surely update you guys with how it works on my dry skin. But it comes with a pump and just like a makeup cleanser. So I will let you know how it works out for me, but again it's a little pricey. I think 700 or 800 rupees ke around hai, but I think for this kind of product 700-800 rupees is just decent, not that expensive, and yeah, I'm looking forward to use this. Next, I've got another moisturizer from the Body Shop. It's a Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is how it looks like. Again, a very cute packaging. It's a very small tub for rupees 995. Now, the Body Shop is not a drugstore brand. It's an expensive high-end brand, but this is how it looks like. I've used Body Shop ka tea tree oil, and it works great for my skin, especially when I get acne. So I'm looking forward to use this as well. I always love to try out new products for my skin. So again, I've not used it yet, but it smells really nice and decent. So let's see how it works out for me. Next, I've got two hair products. First one from OGX. It's the Argan Oil of Morocco. It's like extra penetrating oil, dry for dry and coarse hair. Basically, I've got very dry hair, and especially I've got color on my hair now. I need to take extra care of it. So you can use this like after shampooing your hair and just apply it like a serum. It will tame down all the frizz, and your dry hair will look extra shiny. Also, at the same time, it does not give oil to your hair like those typical hair oils, but it acts like a serum but working like a hair oil, if you know what I mean. So I'm still trying out this. I'm not sure if it works well or not yet, but definitely with the course of time I will know if it works for me, and you will see this in one of my shorts for sure if it works out well for me. Lastly, I've got a hair oil from Kama Ayurveda. It's the Bringadi variant. I use this every time I wash my hair. So मैं बड़ी वाली bottle रखती हूँ, but that was out of stock, so I got the smaller one. But it's an amazing product, and this is the only hair oil I've been using for so many months now, and it works well for me. So yeah, these were all the things which I got from Nykaa. I will link all the products in the description box down below. You can check out all the links. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Also do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you would like to see in future, and I will see you in my next video.